Are you interested in creating Instagram Reels but don't want to show your face, dance, or sing? And no, you don't have to do any of them. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to quickly and easily create a reel to share your message and gift with the world. Open up Instagram and tap the home icon if you're not there already. At the right corner, tap the plus sign, which will bring up 4 options. Tap Story. Yes, we are using Story to create our image. You might see something different depending on your device and setting, so if you do not see the same view as mine, please let me know and we can troubleshoot from there. Assuming you are seeing the same thing, on the left menu bar, tap AA, which will give us an option to type. Now we are in the Story editor. Tap the circle at the right corner to change the color if needed. Don't spend too much time on it when you are practicing for this tutorial, okay? We want to get hands-on experience. To add text, tap to type as instructed by Instagram on the screen. Type a message. For our purpose, do a really simple message. Type hello if you can't think of anything. Tap next when you are done. At the right corner, you see 3 dots. Tap that will bring up 2 options. Tap on the one that says Save. This saves our image. It will say Photo Saved when it's done. Click on the back arrow key to discard our edit. Tap Discard. Tap the X at the right corner to exit out the Story editor. Now we are on the home feed. Tap the plus sign again. This time we are going to choose Reels. At the bottom left corner, tap the icon with a small blue plus sign to add the image from our gallery. We are going to use the image that we create using Story earlier. Tap the image will add it to our editor. You can adjust the length here by sliding the end marker or the starting marker. We're going to keep things really simple and leave things as it is. Do not pay attention to what I'm doing on the screen. Looks like I'm messing with it. But if this is your first reel, don't, because I end up adjusting later on. Tap the music symbol to add music to your reel. Type Happy Instrumental. Happy, it's a vibe that I'm going for. Instrumental, so that I do not have to line up the beats. See, we are keeping things as simple as possible, and this person right here has no musical talent whatsoever. I'm using Adore Instrumental by GC as my background music. Once you have found the music that you like, tap the music title. It will bring up a window for you to choose the part that you want to go with your reel. We're going to keep the default setting, so tap Done. Now we get to preview our reel. Here I'm making a small edit like I mentioned earlier because I do want to use the entire music segment, so I'm sliding the end marker to match the duration. See, I should not have messed with it earlier. Anyway, tap Add. Tap Preview. If you want to spice up your video, you can click on the effects icon to add different effects to your video. You will see the options down here and you can scroll through different effects. I'm using Neon Frame 3. Tap Done after you have selected your desired effect. Tap Next. If you tap on Cover, you have the option to change the cover, or also known as the thumbnail of the reel. But we are not going to do that in this tutorial. We are keeping things simple, so you can get started, okay? Crop profile image if needed. This is helpful if you want to keep a decent looking home feed. I have also share to feed enabled so my followers don't have to click on the Reels tab to see my new Reels. Write a caption. I can't type on my phone, just saying. Once you finish typing your caption, take a deep breath. Tap Share. This might not be a fancy reel, but it could be the first messy step that you take to start sharing your message. Your message is way more important than fancy editing. If you made one, please share it with us in the comment section below. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or want to watch more videos related to Reels, check out the description. Thank you for watching. Bye!